Right, wow, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right, I'm the client now today. We got a lot of participants want to learn English here, newcomer today. I'm very totally happy because we have the best around the world. Right, talking about what did you do if a coronavirus came to Aceh or inside Aceh or contaminated by Aceh province? You know what? Exactly. If I got a coronavirus in my life, you know what? First, I don't afraid about God. For the Chinese, get a curse for God, or punishment by God, just because they humiliate and then torturing Muslim in India, just because it's curse or punishment by God. Just because, say Alhamdulillah, almost 20 million people from Chinese convert to Islam. And then can you imagine that in Japan, one cruise ship, almost 3,700 people contaminated by coronavirus. Can you imagine that? That is the worst damn thing around the world. Very totally dangerous around the world. Why? The Chinese hit by coronavirus. Exactly. As we know, HIV very totally, dangerous for our life. 10 years later, 15 years later, day by day, weeks by weeks, month by month, every single day, they don't know about the HIV exactly. But coronavirus cholera bringing in by Dutch when second aggression in 1874, March 29 at the time when they killed or they attacked or occupy Aceh at the time. Just because every single day, every single week, almost every single night, one by one Chinese people was fall down just because of bringing by death or like cholera. But the cholera, the most dangerous, virus around the world. Netherlands at the time bringing cholera virus or cholera plague for a Chinese, warrior at the time, just because they couldn't fight about a Chinese warrior at the time with Aceh, just because corona very totally dangerous nowadays. What have to do with I got a kind of bring Aceh at the time? You know what? Impossible. Aceh, Alhamdulillah, very far away from China, and then it's impossible. It's coronavirus attack Aceh. If you got a coronavirus, something like sneeze, a cough, or fever, you have to check with your doctor, consulate with your doctor. Just because we don't know yet. Even though our students from Aceh students were learning or they were studying there, doctoral, magister there, they don't contaminated by coronavirus in Wuhan. You know what? I've heard about that exactly. Alhamdulillah, there's that guy, my friend. His name is Fadil. They don't contaminate by coronavirus. Alright, that's my time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right.